cameraman.
So we can read I, Erlinda Trico, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance of His Majesty King Charles III, King of New Zealand, his heirs and successors according to law, and that I will be faithfully observe the laws of New Zealand and fulfill my duties as a New Zealand citizen. So help me God.